Good evening. Welcome to onlineias.com. For the success in any examination, time bound preparation is a must. With the same view and intention, we have launched a batch for civil service examination for the year 2021 in a time bound preparation manner. And the batch has been launched on June 1st, 2020. In the month of June, Indian economy has been completed. In the second month, that is in the month of July, environment and ecology followed by disaster management. These classes are going on currently. Along with this, on May 25th, we have already launched current affairs, meaning we are going subject wise and simultaneously we are also taking up the current affairs. And after this particular disaster management class, that is starting from July 27th onwards, we are going to start CSAT paper. CSAT paper is a paper that is paper number 2 in the preliminary examination. Paper 1 is general studies, paper 2 is CSAT. Now the point is that why we are starting CSAT so early? Right, everybody knows that this is only qualifying in nature. But why are we starting it so early? Because if you have observed the CSAT paper clearly, in that majority of the part is related to the reading comprehension. So when you start preparing for this reading comprehension, you will develop new skills of reading the subject very fastly. And you will be getting the idea to comprehend the subject very easily and in a systematic manner. With that intention, we are starting this CSAT now, so that whatever you are learning under the CSAT, those techniques you can apply for other subjects too. Right? Plus, starting from August 5th onwards, we are also starting Indian history for the preliminary. After that, we'll be starting geography, followed by science and technology, followed by Indian polity, governance, and constitution. Simultaneously, till you finish your examination, current affairs will also go on. So, this is a systematic method that we have started, and the approach is absolutely good. And we are going in a fantastic manner. We are not even giving a break for a single day. Every day the classes will be conducted, and you can watch the classes after 6 o'clock in the evening. Apart from this, with respect to the main examination preparation will be starting from November 1st onwards. You are very clearly aware, in the preliminary examination, the questions are of objective type. And as far as the main is concerned, you need to write descriptive type. And you need to have a special emphasis, special focus on the main examination. With that orientation, all the papers, general studies paper 1, 2, 3 and 4 plus general essay will be conducted starting from November 1st onwards. And we have decided that the total preparation, the total course has to be completed very effectively without missing anything within 9 months. After that, you will have some time for the revision for the preliminary examination, and the preparation has to continue till you get into the service. With that particular idea, we have started the program, and the program is going on absolutely well. And all the serious aspirants who want to join this particular course to make your preparation more effective, more serious, more dynamic to crack IAS 2021, you are most welcome to join. Now, I would like to show you the features of our classes. After that, I'll show you our site. After that, I'll also tell you how to join our course. Please remember, our course is completely online. I am Kalyan Chakravarti and I am operating from Hyderabad. And now I would like to show you the document. Kindly have a look at this. So this is IAS 2021 Prelims and Mains. This is the name of the institution, Kalyan Sir, onlineias.com. You can look at my mobile number, WhatsApp number, and this is my mail ID. You can take a pic of this. We'll go further. Look at this. Classes commenced on June 1st, 2020. Complete syllabus for the prelims and mains will be done except regional language paper. You know why? Because different people will have different regional languages. That will be absolutely difficult for us to conduct this particular paper. Otherwise, whatever the English paper you have in the main examination, which is also qualifying in nature, that paper will also be conducted. We will have the classes every day. Duration 9 months. Every topic will be covered on par with the standards of the civils examination, and you can watch the classes after 6 o'clock in the evening. After 6 p.m. you can watch the classes, and you can watch these classes till you finish your main examination. Each class can be watched any number of times. There is no limitation. The only limitation is that you are required to watch the classes only from single device, and this course is valid till you complete the main examination of 2021. Along with these classes, you will be getting downloadable PDF material. That material will be provided to you immediately after the completion of the respective subject. Say for example, I told you already, in the month of June we have completed successfully Indian economy, and immediately after that material has been provided to the students. Similarly, current affairs will be conducted on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. The material that is related to current affairs is handed over to the students, that is in the form of PDF. Every month, at the end of every month, the current affairs material will also be provided. Apart from this PDF material, you will also be provided with the non-downloadable, I repeat, non-downloadable periodical practice test will be provided along with the explanation. Kindly see here, whatever you require for getting success in this examination, everything will be provided to you. Every subject will be taught very effectively with the highest quality, and for every subject practice papers will be provided so that you will have plenty of practice. Plus, when it comes to the main examination, writing practice, the focus will be on the writing practice. The more better you write, the more marks you will get. That will be the criteria. And kindly remember, you can download the PDF material but not the question bank. Please remember this. Now, with respect to the preliminary examination, so these are all will be covered under paper 1, Indian economy, geography, environment, ecology and disaster management, Indian history, science and technology, constitution, polity and governance. Current affairs will be conducted on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And with respect to paper 2, CSAT paper, that we are starting from July 27th onwards. Now, look at this. In the main examination, you have 4 papers with respect to general studies. They are general studies paper 1, paper 2, paper 3 and paper 4. In paper 1, you got history, including world history, Indian history and world history, plus you got geography and you also got the social issues. In paper number 2, you got polity, constitution, governance and international relations. Under paper number 3, you got Indian economy, science and technology, environment, disaster management and national security. In paper number 4, you got ethics. Apart from these 4 papers, you also have a paper called general essay. Apart from all this, you also have an optional subject, and optional subject is not included here. What are all the optional subjects we will be providing, that will be announced later. That is the reason why this particular seminar is related exclusive for the general studies, preliminary and main examination. Am I clear? And if anybody wants to join only for the main examination, that provision is also there, and those classes will be commenced from November 1st onwards. Kindly remember, our focus will be on answer writing. You will be given enough practice to write the answers, and those papers will be corrected from time to time. The guidelines will be given to you, and that particular provision will be provided to you till you finish your main examination. Next, kindly take a pic of this. You have complete information here. In fact, the total fee will be coming up to 1,04,000, that is including GST. But by looking at the current condition and pandemic, we have reduced the fees to 80,000 rupees, and the fee will be 80,000 rupees up to August 5th, 2020. I suggest you all to join at the earliest, so that you can start preparation immediately. And starting from August 6th onwards, the fee will be enhanced to 90,000 rupees. And of course, that is including GST. Please remember, this will be covering complete preliminary examination, complete main examination with respect to general studies. Alright? And it will not include optional paper. It doesn't include optional paper, I repeat. And you can make the payment in 2 installments if you want, depending on your convenience. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay or Paytm. You can have a look at my number. That is my mobile number, WhatsApp number, and these payment numbers also. After the payment is done, you please send me your payment receipt screenshot to my WhatsApp along with your name, mobile number, mail ID, state and city. And please make a note that this course will be offered only in English medium. English medium only, no other medium. Fine. After joining, we will be maintaining communication through mail. Okay. Of course, we are also going to already created a WhatsApp group. You will be added to that. But with respect to any other doubts related to the subject, the communication will be maintained through the mail. Fine. So now I would like to show you our site. This is our site, www.onlineias.com, and go to the menu bar. Please go to extreme right. You can see IAS 2021. We have a current affairs batch, a special batch. If anybody wants to join only for the current affairs, you can click here and you can see all the details. And anybody who wants to join only for the preliminary examination, you can join by clicking here. And even in the prelims also, if you want to join subject wise, no problem, that facility is also available. Anybody who wants to join for the main examination, please click here. You can join paper wise or you can join for the complete mains course. Similarly, for both prelims and mains, you can click here. You can see all the details and you can join here. Now, very, very important one. I suggest you all to join for both prelims and main examination, so that we will be going with the comprehensive preparation. Right? And you can click here and you can go for the enroll online. Fine. Or you can go for the scan and pay. Once the payment is done, you will be provided with the access. Right? And you can pay in 2 installments. Like before August 5th, you can pay in 2 installments. Like if you pay 40,000 now, within 30 days, you can pay another 40,000. right? But if you pay first installment after August 5th, say August 10th, then from that day, on that day you need to pay 45,000 rupees as first installment and another 45,000 rupees as a second installment, right? And instead of that one, join at once and start your preparation as early as possible. So this is the complete information that I have provided. But please remember, for the success, we need to have complete dedication. That a dedication has to be there from the institution, from the faculty members, and also from the aspirants who are very, very serious. Another important thing I would like to tell you, as far as the preliminary is concerned, except history, geography, and CSAT, remaining subjects are going to be taken by me. Economy, I took it. It has been done very successfully. Currently, environment and disaster management is going on. That is also being taken by me. But for CSAT, history, and geography, somebody else will be coming up. Again, I will be joining you for science and technology and Indian polity. Complete current affairs is being handled by me. Similarly, when it comes to the main examination, most of the areas will be handled by me along with the writing practice, right? So let's not take any chance. We are going to, again, as far as history and geography are concerned, I'll be inviting some other faculty members. Rest of the areas will be handled by me very effectively, and my concentration will be on how you can score better marks in the main examination. With that focus, we'll be going ahead. And I wish you all very, very good luck. Take a very quick decision and join as early as possible and start your preparation at the earliest. Also speak to your parents. Also speak to your seniors if any, and take a quick decision. Join at the earliest. Once again, I wish you all a very, very, very good luck. Thank you so much. See you during the classes.